Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Bill the Harley Guy, and today before I start working on the garage, working on this mess, tearing down my wall, getting ready to put new insulation up when I'm done getting the walls down. Then I'll be getting the insulation up, but for right now I'm going to install my phone mount that I picked up at Sandys Harley Davidson in Fremont, Michigan. And anyway, the mount, two-part mount, because you gotta pay for both of them to make one mount work. I know, stupid. Instead of buying it as a kit, all one box, gotta have two boxes, two prices. Don't get me started on freaking shit like that. So, anyway, the first part I got mount up is this part here, which I got right here. It's gotta go on the bike like so, with new mounting screws and everything to make it work. You know, I was gonna put it on the dyno right there, but I decided that I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the 2020 Softail standard instead. That way, because eventually I'm gonna put them on all my bikes. It just sucks that I gotta pay, you know, separately. What's the matter, Sassy? She's minding her own business. Anyway, that's what I'm up to today for right now. So, bear with me and let me get you positioned. Oh lordy. I need to get a tripod for sure. Angle it down. Oh, there we go. There. Oh, that works. Alright. I gotta take the screws out. Move my mirror. So I gotta take the bottom one out first. And I should, by all of accounts, get this other one ready, get my mount set up, like so. They even have a spacer in the mount set. Goes underneath the mount like so. Then they got a washer that comes with it that goes on the outside part. Then you take your long screw that comes with the mount kit like so, and then you just, you know, start it. Like so. There. I'll just leave that hang. Now to take off the top one. Whoops. Alright. I'll go ahead and tuck the bottom one in just a hair. Just a hair. Whoops. That's an Allen wrench, not a star wrench. Okay. Because I don't want to get all screwed up here. There. It's just a little snug, and that's it. Okay. Now, top one. Oh, the other way. Come on, Bill, get with it. Okay, there's that one. There's this other one. Another spacer, washer. Spacer goes underneath, washer goes on top. Like so. Get it started. There we go. We have the Allen wrench. This looks like a 5/32 Allen wrench. You know, I'm not doing a how-to video, I'm just letting you know what I'm doing. Tighten it down. Come on, get up there. There you go. Okay, snug it up. Snug that one up. Alright. Good deal. Alright, so give it a little tweak and not break it. Alright, there. That works. That's on there. Now, let's see. The part number for this, let's see if I can find it for you, in case you ever want to get a mount like that. Let's see. Okay, if you can get it, here's all the information. I'll do it that way for you, then I can flip it this way to give you a better idea. Okay. And my next, to finish it off, we got this mount here. This kind of mount here. You know, so, and the part number to this is right here. Like so. And this, come on. Okay. This is what it looks like. This part here unscrews. Ball goes into the back. Like so. Just make sure when you take the square off, you put it over the mount. Then you take this part here and you push it over. Like so. There. Then you turn this around. You got the flat part here at the bottom, goes down. Because this is what's going to keep your phone from dropping. Then you take this spare amount. I don't know, plastic nut, screw, some shit, I don't know. And you just turn it until it doesn't move. Okay, there. That looks legit. Okay. It ain't going nowhere. Alright, little tweak. Okay, there. Now, these, you got one on each side. Okay? You turn it one way, it'll go in. Turn it the other way, it'll go out. Same on the other side. That's what snugs up to your phone. And my dumb ass forgot to bring my phone out. You know, so I can show you guys. So I gotta take 1 minute, maybe less, to go get it. I'll be right back. Alright, now that I got my phone, it drops in, like so. Now, it's all loose right here, so I take the one side to bring it in. Tighten it down this side. There. It ain't going nowhere. Okay, that's all set. Now I'll get on. Oh yeah. That's our hair. There we go. Turn it down. Yeah, a little more. There we go. Oh. A little more. There. All right. That was pretty easy. Now, I figure I'll go ahead and keep the windshield on the Softail standard till I get a fairing for it. Then I'll put the windshield back on the Dyna. But until then, it's its home. So, that's that. That was pretty simple, pretty quick. You know, no big deal. It would have been faster if I would have brought the phone out with me, but you know how it goes. You know, shit happens. So, if you like what you see, give it a thumbs up. Comments down below. Subscribe, ring that bell for future notifications. Have a good day, ride safe. Till the next time.